Counting ducks, quack, quack, he quack, quack, yeah! One yellow duck begins her day, waddles out to splash and play, slides in mud along the way. Quack, quack, he quack, quack, yeah! Two white eggs in a soft brown nest. Mama duck says, sit and rest. She fluffs her feathers on the chest. Quack, quack, he quack, quack, yeah! Three green frogs go boing, boing, splash. Jump beside her with a splash. Duckling giggles in a flash. Quack, quack, he quack, quack, yeah! Four orange fish swim round and round. Bubbles rise without a sound. Duck dives deep and then is found. Quack, quack, he quack, quack, yeah! Five brown worms wriggle on the ground. Duck says yum with joyful sound. Gobble, gobble, all are down. Quack, quack, he quack, quack, yeah! Six soft ducklings in a row follow Mama nice and slow, waddling where the flowers grow. Quack, quack, he quack, quack, yeah!
Hee hee ha ha. Please subscribe to Kids Teacher Pak.